Hey, Chris the builder!
What's up, mate?
Can we fix it? Because Eminem says you got one shot.
You can do it.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got a picture.
I'll light it. You throw it.
Yeah.
You ready? You filming? Alright, you sneaky mongoose. Can we transform this train carriage? We'll start at the very back of the train carriage. So obviously first we've got to do a lot of construction and... Oi, g'day!
You sneaky mongoose!
Alright guys, part 2 of the mongoose carriage. We're going to be doing a bit more of the demo work. We've got Tommy here and Chris. Give us a bit more of a rundown.
Today, mate, we are heavily involved in the demolition phase.
Yep.
Yeah, we've got plenty of chairs to take out, so we've got to get stuck in, I think.
Let's go make it happen. Come on, boys.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Alright guys, as you can see today, it is raining out there. It's been wet all over Victoria. It's hammering down. We're going to the train carriage today just because it's a bit of a bonding day for us, and I tell you what, men's mental health does matter.
Josh, I think it's a good time to tell the audience about the prep work before the carriage even came to be here.
Well, as you know, Tommy, it was pretty hectic to get it here in the first place, which you'll see on part 1 if you guys go back and have a look at the videos. But yeah, we had cranes and we got it here, and yeah, basically, do you want to tell us a bit more about the actual the footings?
Yeah, absolutely.
What we did with that?
So throughout the whole carriage is sitting on 10 footings, all structurally engineered, 3 metre down pier holes, all fully Rio cage, and we boxed up the top just with some 4-ply, lasered it all out. So when the carriage came and got crate on, it's sitting all nice and plumb, all nice and level.
Yeah, so yeah. It's around about 9 tonne, and I think it's around about 19 metres long. So she was a bit of a mission to get here from Newport, but as we just found, as we were doing a bit of a demo, we found like a couple of tickets. So we obviously know that it's coming from the Oakley line, wasn't it?
Yeah, it used to service the Oakley area. So.
Yeah, so the Oakley area, and yeah, but we got it from Newport, but yeah, that was good.
You pass me that tool, Josh?
Yeah, mate. Oh, bondage.
Hey, Chris the builder!
What's up, mate?
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can! Hey, what do you call Chris when he actually retires? Just Chris, not Chris the builder.
Don't forget to subscribe.
So Nick, give us a bit of a side update. What are you doing?
You want a side update?
Yeah, mate.
We're removing the delicious pork roast of what's been a 4-hour cook. 4.5, mate.
4.5.
It is. Skippy looks like he wants a bit of the pork roast.
Subscribe!
You know I'm a tight ass with my pod.
Because Eminem says you got one shot.
You can do it.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got petrol.
I'll light it. You throw it.
Yeah.
You ready? You filming? That did nothing. Boom. All right, we're all aboard for the next episode, guys.
Yeah.
Make sure that you subscribe and check us out on the next videos. Let's go, guys.
See you on the next episode, you sneaky little
Mongoose turkey!